Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to firmware update your Sony A7S III camera to firmware 5.0 or 5.01. So before we jump into that, I wanna give you one information that if your camera is on 3.01 firmware or later like 4, you can do the firmware update to 5.01. But if it's not, if it's on 2.50 or earlier versions, you have to firmware update your camera to 3.01 first, and then from 3.01 you can go to 5.01. So to check the firmware version of your camera, you go to menus by pressing the menu button and you go all the way down till you see setup, and in setup you have to click on setup options and then version and then body. Once you will click on body, you will see the firmware version of your camera. So if your camera is not on 3.01 and its earlier versions, I have done a video already before that as well, which you can click on that and watch it. I have done a video if you want to go to firmware version 4 as well, and now I'm doing this video for firmware version 5. So let's start step by step. Put your card in your camera and format the card. And to format the card, you need to go to menu. After that, you need to go to shooting. In there, look for media, and in media, select the slot and format the card. Once you're done with formatting the card, go on Google or any of the browsers, search for Sony firmware version 5 or 5.01. I will put the link in description as well in case you don't want to do that. Click on that, open this page and click on 5.01. It will open a new page for you where you will have to navigate till you see download button, and it will start downloading your firmware file. Now once you're done with downloading the firmware file, one more thing which I want to let you guys know is, like, if there was any other firmware file from Sony there, Sony by default name their firmware version files like BODYDATA.DAT. If there was any other firmware file from Sony in your downloads, it's gonna rename it. So make sure there is no file before that. Once you're sure that it's not renamed, you need to connect your card which is formatted with your laptop. Once you connect the card with your laptop, copy the BODYDATA.DAT file, the firmware file, on the root structure of the card, nowhere else. Now eject the card and then insert it in the camera. Now insert the memory card in slot 1, then go to menu, and in menu scroll down all the way till you see setup. In setup, scroll down again till you see setup options, then you go on the version and then body. Here click on software update and then select execute on the system software update confirmation screen. Now when the system software update starts, a black screen will appear and the access lamp will flash 1 to 3 times and then 5 times depending on the progress. This update will take approximately 6 minutes. When the update is complete, the camera is automatically restarted, and after restarting, press OK and the body update complete screen will be there. Now just to confirm the firmware, you can do the same thing. Go to menu, setup, setup options, then version and then body, and it will show you version 5.01. So this is how you can firmware update your Sony A7S III camera. In case you have any more questions, put those in comments and I'll make sure I'll reply to those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.